Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing the top science myths that you have probably believed for years. So let's get started. First myth: humans only use 10% of their brains. We only use 10% of our brain capacity. But the fact is, this myth originated from a 1907 book, but brain scans show we use almost all parts of our brain throughout the day. Let's move to next myth. Shaving hair makes it grow back thicker. Shaving makes hair grow back thicker, but the fact is it's an optical illusion. Hair looks thicker when it's cut, but it's actually the same. Third, you need to drink 8 glasses of water a day. You must drink 8 glasses of water daily. Fact is, there's no scientific evidence for this. Your body tells you when it's thirsty. Myth: cracking knocks causes arthritis. Cracking knocks lead to arthritis. Fact is, research shows it might not cause arthritis, but it can cause joint swelling. Next, Einstein failed math. Einstein failed math is a myth, and the fact is, he actually excelled in math. The myth likely came from a 1935 article misinterpretation. Next, humans evolved from monkeys. Humans evolved from monkeys is a myth, and the fact is, we share a common ancestor with monkeys, but didn't evolve directly from them. Next, bats are blind. Bats are blind is a myth, and the fact is, most bats can see. They just use echolocation to navigate. Next is, if you go outside with wet hair, you will catch a cold. Wet hair causes colds is a myth, and the fact is, colds are caused by viruses, not wet hair or cold weather. Next, a penny dropped from a skyscraper can kill someone. A penny dropped from a height can kill is only a myth because the fact is, terminal velocity and air resistance make it unlikely to cause serious harm. Next, goldfish have a 3-second memory. Goldfish have 3-second memories is only a myth, and the fact is, studies show they can remember things for months. Next is, chewing gum takes 7 years to digest. Gum takes 7 years to digest is only a myth, and the fact is, gum isn't digested, but it passes through your system undamaged. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. Thank you.